Hi everyone, so you're on your own today to create your own checkbook register of a different scenario. Very, very similar to yesterday, but now you just won't have the video, but you could use yesterday's video or you can use the spreadsheet that you made yesterday as a template to start. The only difference today is you're going to have a voided check. What does that mean? That means you may have written a check, although we write less and less checks as technology increases. But you may have written a check and made a mistake where you either write the wrong person that you're writing it to or company that you're writing it to. Maybe the date was wrong, the amount was wrong. When you write the amount out in words, you may have written it wrong. And if that's the case, you don't just throw it in the garbage because somebody could pick it up, and at the bottom is your bank account number and your routing number and some important information. So you don't even want to rip it up because people could actually put it back together and get that information, or they could just endorse the check and bring it to a bank and cash it. So what you need to do is write the word void across the check like this in giant letters. Make sure it covers this area where the words are written and also covers this area where the numbers are showing. And then I would even rip it up and throw it out after that. But the word void means I made a mistake and that numbered check is no longer going to be used, because you're going to wonder where that check went. And then you'll see it in your checkbook register that it'll be marked as voided. So here's an example from yesterday. I'm just going to show you what would have happened if maybe you originally had tried to write check number 1028 on July 11th to Time Warner, but you made a mistake and you voided it. So you would do something like this. Remind yourself that, oh, okay, what happened to 1028? It was voided, because you're going to need a record of that. And then you just take the very next check in the checkbook and you wrote it out to Time Warner correctly for the amount. So if today's scenario has a voided check in it, you're going to handle it just like